have the Husqvarna 430XH Automower as it will arrive to you. The XH is a high-cut model compared to the 430X, which is the lower-cut model. This Automower is well suited for yards up to 0.8 acres. The Husqvarna 430X and 430XH Automower will come with 2 installation kits. These installation kits ensure that you have more than enough materials to install the Automower in your yard. When you open the box for your Automower, the first thing you'll see is the included ruler. This ruler ensures that when you install the wire, it's the correct distance away from different objects in your yard. Next step is to take your Automower out of the box. Next, we're going to take out some more components from the Automower box. Here we have the Automower power supply. That's what plugs in the electrical outlet that provides power to the Automower. This bag has more Automower components. We have the user manual, as well as the quick start guide. Next, let's take out the Automower base station. The Automower's base station is where the Automower goes when it needs to charge. The Husqvarna 430X and XH Automowers come with 2 install kits to ensure that you have everything you need to install your Automower. The smaller install kit comes with 300 staples as well as 150 meters of wire and electrical connectors. The larger install kit comes with 600 staples, 400 meters of wire, as well as assorted electrical connectors. Now that everything is unpacked from the box, you can begin the installation of your 430X or 430XH Automower. On the back of the quick start guide, you'll find instructions to download the Husqvarna Automower Connect app. This app on your phone will allow you to control your Automower from anywhere. If you have any additional questions, head on over to husqvarna.com and check out the resources available there.